sponsored by Malta Guinness. Malta Guinness, feel the goodness. Come on. Hey! Do it again! Do it again!
You should have seen me.
Guess what, guys? I'm in the Dubai of Ghana! Oh my goodness, I'm all the way far away on the outskirts in the upper west of Ghana. Listen, there is too much going on here. All you need to do is follow me. Thank you. Guys, I am at the Royal Cosy Hills and this is my friend Nana.
Hello, welcome.
She is the lovely receptionist over here and she's going to give us a tour, right?
Yep.
Nana, tell me, how long has the Royal Cosy Hills been around? Because you know, everybody gets confused, the Dubai of Ghana, and there's so many different names. So tell us a little bit about the name, how it came about.
Okay, so Jirapa Dubai is just a nickname for the hotel because the locals here think that it's so beautiful that it looks like Dubai.
Wow.
So that's why they call it that. But the official name is Royal Cosy Hills, as you can see. Our mini zoo, the pre-safari.
Pre-safari, guys. So we need to get ready for the big one, the big one. All right, so what animals can we see? I can see...
So yes, we have some wallabies, which is in the same family as the kangaroo.
Is that a kangaroo?
Well, it's in the same family, but it's called a wallaby. Yeah, it's like a small kangaroo. Yes.
I can see a tortoise.
Yes, we have a giant African tortoise here as well.
Some peacocks.
Yes, we have our peacocks. And then...
Okay, those are more wallabies over there, right?
Yes, exactly.
So how many different animals are in our mini safari?
In the mini zoo, so we just have 5 different types here.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about this Jirapa Dubai?
Well, it's probably the common answer, but probably the safari is just so exciting.
Really?
That we have something like that in the Upper West region.
I know, right?
And yeah, it's just a super exciting project. Here we have our pool area.
Ooh, go for a swim. You guys know how much I love swimming.
We also have some conference rooms in this area.
Okay.
We have...
This place is really big.
Yeah.
Wow. Honestly, guys, like, I don't know why I didn't expect it, but I guess if we're in the Dubai of Ghana... Hey girls! Do you remember the voice? Can you guys recognize the voice? Who is it?
It's true.
It's Stella, baby! Yes!
You are the celebrity.
Hey, please. Hey. We just locked ourselves.
Oh, they knew before, but she locked themselves in. So, guys, of course, like I said, I brought my girls along.
Yes,
We're about to enjoy.
Of course.
Are you
Have
guys
a good
ready?
time.
We're gonna have like a girls' trip, okay?
We have already started.
We have. I don't think you guys are ready. So you know, we're gonna go to the pool. Yeah. We're gonna eat. We're gonna do some nighttime chilling, talking,
Dinner.
You know, I'm excited. I know they're excited. So listen, we're about to have a good time. So follow us.
Let's go. Cool. So cold?
No, it's like ice. It's ice. When I was saying she was a joke. You see, they thought I was lying when I said it was cold. Yes.
It's like ice. I think the time we
ice
came.
bath.
Yeah.
Jirapa Dubai gives cool ice baths. Oh my gosh!
It's really like a frog.
That's why I call my doggy paddle. This is actually the chef's special jollof rice. And then I have got seafood provincial.
Ooh, I would love to
Seafood
try
is
that.
like, honestly,
Yeah. Don't
Like
worry,
the
we
way
are-
to
we
my
are all
heart.
eating your food
just
today.
because I tasted yours. Aw, I'm joking. All right, but you guys already know before we eat, you know what we gotta do? We gotta pray. So, looking good, guys.
Good.
It's looking good. I can see prawns, calamari, fish. Hey, a depper pot.
Everything.
Plus the jollof. Hey, this one there tonight. I'm sleeping till tomorrow. Dear God, thank you for this food that I get to eat. Bless the food and bless the hands that make the food. In Jesus' name, amen. It's a bunzizi. Good morning. Hello, guys. Yes, it is a brand new morning. The bed was comfy. I didn't want to wake up. Oh my goodness. The shower was amazing. I didn't want to come out, but my belly is talking. So we gotta eat. Stella, are you ready?
I am ready.
Of
I
course.
had to join her tonight. You know.
We came in the middle of the night, was doing some chatty, boom, boom. But it's time for us to eat because we've got a long day ahead. So Laurie is still sleeping. We'll wait for her.
We'll wait for her.
We'll wait for her at the dinner table. See you guys. Hello, boss. Are you going to be taking us around today?
Yes, please.
What's your name?
I'm Halid Hadi.
Halidu.
Hadi.
Halidu Hadi.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about what we're going to do today.
Yeah, we're gonna be just strolling around our safari to see a lot of species which we have. But basically, it's just about seeing the wild animals around.
Nice. So are they awake? Are they ready for us?
Yeah, they are ready.
But we're going to walk, not go in a car.
Yeah, we are going to walk.
We're going to walk.
Yeah, it's really a long walk.
How long is the walk?
3-kilometer walk.
So how many minutes?
About an hour and a half or 2 hours.
There and back.
Yeah, there and
1
back.
hour there, 1 hour back.
Yeah,
Hey!
Yeah.
Then it's good I have my walking shoes.
yeah, it's good.
Let's go. Okay, so who feeds all of the animals?
Yeah, we have guys around who do the feeding. I think we work as a team.
Yeah.
In this safari, we work as a team. We have the tour guys. We have those who go around checking the animals to ensure that they are.
So what did the lions eat?
It's flesh, meat.
And who goes to feed them?
Yeah, we have guys who also go to do the feeding.
Inside?
Just use this road. Yeah,
They go inside, guys.
yeah.
They go inside.
Inside. Because we have a mechanism. Maybe when we get there, I'll tell you how it is done.
Yeah. So have
Yeah,
they eaten
yeah.
already?
Not yet.
So can I feed them?
Maybe we will feed you to them.
Hey, cheeky! This one there, I have to do more episodes, so I won't be fed today, but maybe next time. So this is the hippo camp over here, And our lovely gentleman told us that the hippos spend almost 16 hours under the water and 6 hours outside. That's crazy. And they're not
When
even
they
fish.
also move out, this 6 hours they also spend in grazing just to feed.
Just this is 6 hours, imagine,
And
going to
it's
get food.
usually in the night.
And they're big and they're only like what, 20 months old. This is the whole Jirapa Dubai is a black owned business. It is owned by a native from Jirapa itself, and he's doing his best to also employ different people and give jobs to the people in the area. So I love this. Support your own black business, Ghanaian businesses, and I'm telling you, I'm so excited to see what this place turns into in the future. We give you the exclusives. Of course, Miss Drew gives you the exclusive. If you didn't hear from Miss Drew, it's not true. But we will be back again to show you guys how it has developed. But for now, let's go check anything else out. This behind me is a tree that is planted by ants. When ants come, they eat and they take their little seeds from other trees and they come around and they spread it around. And look at this, is nature helping nature. Beautiful. And then this is what the birds use to feed on. Amazing. Hey, Stella has good eyes. I didn't see them.
I'm getting close to them.
Come on.
You're looking at eggs.
Yes.
I'm surprised.
Come on. We can see lions. There are lions in Ghana. And these are better than the one in Cosy. Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, how are you?
Come on.
Hi, and it's white. White,
Oh
too
my
white.
goodness.
Look at this beauty.
Oh, really?
They are scared during the day. They only lose their fear in the night. And this is how they stay when they are well fed, and then they don't see any other thing worrying them. They know they are in their home, so they don't have anything to bother about.
Come on. Yeah, baby. This one, she is wild.
Yeah, very well.
Hello.
Hi, baby.
Oh, it's actually bigger up close.
Yeah.
Hey! Do it again. Do it again. I called the lion over. I am the lioness. These are people that are part of my family. Let's go. Yay! Hi, baby. Let me take a selfie.
Bring the action.
Bring
them.
We are ready for you. We can beat you.
No, you can't be. Now she got energy because we're behind the fence.
No, but
Come on,
honestly,
boss.
these lions are the
Beautiful.
best. So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Has noticed Drew as a weakest. That's why he kept doing to her.
Yeah.
But I'm the one that called it over, so I can say that I know how to call a lion. I speak the lioness language. It's not ra, it's
They like it sweet.
they like it sweet, kissy kissy. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Aww.
Oh,
It's been fun.
that was amazing, guys. That was great. I think I have definitely am now impressed. Guys, if anybody tells you there's no lions in Ghana, don't believe
a
them.
lie.
There are lions out here in the Upper West, in the savannah.
Yeah.
More beautiful, unfortunately, than the ones in Achimota and the ones in Kumasi.
And they look very healthy.
These
very,
are
very
healthy.
Yeah,
They're
very
young.
healthy.
They're only 20 months old. So come back in a few years.
I would
and
say
they'll be
they
bigger.
are like the most interactive.
Is this the
animals
closest?
lion.
Well, yeah. They're not well, they're lazy but not lazy. They have energy. So this tree over here, as you can see the bark of the tree, this is a shea butter tree, guys. Later on, these are the things that we use. It has so much nutrients in it, and we use it to also get our skin feeling amazing. Shea butter tree.
I was just talking about this fence. So this one runs from where we started the talk, the entrance of into the dam. And the reason is we try to stop certain species. Almost all the antelopes from getting to this side because that's where the lions are.
The
Yeah.
dam is a
So we
natural
don't-
dam, right?
No, it's an
It's
artificial
man-made.
dam. It's a man-made, yeah. So we don't want some of the species to be getting closer to the lions.
Even though they're in the cage?
Yeah, but they may see certain species like the zebras, for instance. That's their favorite meal. So they may want to jump out and then feed on it. So we have to prevent that.
Okay.
We need to let that thing out of their mind, to have the feeling that they may go out and then put a chase on any animal.
Yeah.
So we try to stop all the animals from getting to the lions.
A tree with so many different benefits. The shea butter
What about the
tree.
leaves? Any
No,
medicinal
we don't
purpose?
actually
There's
use
so
it's
many
only
benefits.
the stem.
Even you can
When
use the
have,
bark for charcoal.
any immediate cough, you just cut any part of the branch and you can chew and then
Chew it.
It's
Wow.
very,
Medicinal.
It's
I
very
love it.
medicinal.
The shea butter
This is why
And
they
even
are
the
like
stem,
very
the
few
stem.
I love
pieces
Mother
of-
the
Nature.
stem are used to make our local pistils and mortar.
Everything medicinal.
Pieces into what?
Yeah,
Pistils
pistol
and the
mortar.
mortar.
Pistils and mortar.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
For palm nuts, fufu.
Yeah, fufu and
You
then
see?
it's still the same.
The
just
same
the-
tree.
Yeah.
And the reason why its skin is rough like this because it avoids,
Yeah.
it's done like that to stop catching fire. So when all the other trees are on fire, the shea butter tree is standing
Yes,
strong. Shea butter fruit. So it's supposed to be brown. So this isn't ripe yet. It's not ripe yet. It'll be brown. It'll be harder. It'll be fully green.
Fully green, yeah, when it's
So
ripe.
it's a little bit soft.
And this is how it looks like.
Yeah, it's a little bit soft. When it's ready, you can do
Because
so
it's still
many
developing
things.
the seed inside.
Yes, so you can do so many things with this. You can eat it, you can cream with it, you can cook with it, you can build with it. You can do so many different things. Zebras have been around. It looks like they might be close. You guys already know how much I always say what goes up must come down. And the worst part about any hike is the coming down. So at least we don't have to go back the same way. But look at the view. Usually I'm talking about the greens and the blues. There's no blues here. This is just greens and browns, a real serious savanna. We're in the desert. This is desert life. This is Ghana's version of Dubai. I could hear something behind me. Look. Watching. Walking away. That's really close.
This moment is so beautiful. Like even in their wild, they are like okay for us to get closer to them. It is amazing, and this is what you get to see when you come to the west, the upper west, when you come to the Royal Cosy Hotel.
We're so close to them. And I'm so excited. I think maybe this is the closest I've been, other than it being behind a fence, to a live zebra. This is amazing, man. What an experience.
This experience is overwhelming. It's beautiful. It's amazing.
Love it.
The last time I saw a zebra was in Shy Hills, but
Same.
this feels more surreal than that
Exactly.
because
Shy Hills had the fence.
we had to look for them and find them, and finally found them. It's amazing. It's
And
beautiful.
after we've been walking for so long, it's made our walking not in vain.
Yeah.
We were complete.
Now we just have to take water and go back.
She's looking at mine.
We are going to sleep peacefully.
So we are building a zoo around this area, from the far end of this building to this end. So we are building not less than 10.
walk around and
Yes,
see. So it's
not
a long
less than
walk.
10 camps here. So we bring in our wallabies, our Gucci, Mara, Dikers, and
Chicabana.
different species.
Yeah.
Yeah, our monkeys,
Yes.
chimps, baboons, almost everything we are bringing them here.
Oh yes, far. You have very good eyes. Yeah. All right, guys, so this was our safari tour. We've had so much fun over here. Our experience at the Royal Cosy Hills, Jirapa, Dubai. How you guys feeling?
Feeling amazing, all sorts of amazing because
it's been
guys,
great.
it's been super. Like this is worth it. This is worth the trip.
It is the hours, the flights, the everything. It definitely is worth it, especially when you see the animals. I mean, my highlight was the lions.
My highlight was the lions too. Food, everything. No, my highlight was a zebra.
Oh yes, the zebra.
I went close to
the
it.
zebra. Oh my goodness.